The landlady says she has a cleaning guy, and as I described in an earlier video, he came up with supplies she supplied, and it was nothing more than one of these, relatively expensive. I didn't want to have to buy it, but I need a bigger, heavy dutier one. This dog's cotton mop. So that one I bought myself, but that's what the other guy had to work with up here on these floors. So he came up and mopped the hallway. And I'm preparing these floors here, and taking a moment to vacuum in between the cracks like thus. Want to make sure I can get most of the grime out of the way when I'm thinking of renting a sander, because I mean it needs it, and it'll make it so much easier. If I can get it for the whole weekend at the one-day price, it'll be worth it. I just have to stay with the program. I'm trying to do video work over here. Back at the ranch.